Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to try and help connect to Kumo Cloud if you're having issues trying to connect to that app, since we know it's not the best app in the world. So the first thing you want to do is get into your router if you have a dual band router and turn off the 5 gigahertz band. So I have a Netgear router, and so basically Netgear, for whatever reason, really pushes this Nighthawk app. But I went looking around in there and I didn't see this type of option. So it's probably better if you go onto the computer. So this is the website to get into your router. Basically, you want to do the admin and the password, put that in, and this will come up. You want to go to basic and wireless. So when you go to wireless, since we have a dual band router, you'll see 2.4 and the 5.0 down here. So all you need to do is just turn off the 5.0 band. So you just uncheck this box that says enable SSID and then hit apply. And basically after that, once you use a device and search for Wi-Fi networks, your 5.0 won't come up. So that way Kumo Cloud doesn't get confused, because apparently, for whatever reason, it gets confused with the 5.0, even though it shouldn't even be looking for that. So you want to turn that off. And then also on your 2.4, you want to make sure that your channel is on, the instructions say 1 to 11. So my particular router only has 11 channels. So it doesn't really matter. If you want to use 6, I've seen 6 is a pretty good one. So you could try just using that specific channel to connect. And then also the WPA2 personal is the security option that you want to use. Again, hit apply, let it do its thing. Check your devices to make sure the 5.0 isn't coming up, and then you should be good. Also, another note too is you need to make sure that your 2.4 and your 5.0 bands are different names. So as you can see, Tatsu is our 2.4 and Kali is our 5. So if they're the same name, that's going to cause issues too. So you want to make sure you have two separate networks, bands for the 2.4 and 5.0, and that should help you. And the other thing that can help is if you go into settings, they've said to toggle your Bluetooth. So if you go into your Bluetooth setting here, as you can see, obviously it's on, and you're going to need that on to connect, but right now there's a bunch of things that are connected to the Bluetooth. So if you toggle it, it turns all of that off. So if you toggle it off and then toggle it back on, now it says nothing's connected. So then at that point, then try to connect to Kumo Cloud, and hopefully that'll help you, along with the only having the 2.4 band going. Hopefully you can connect to it, and then you shouldn't have any issues after that, hopefully. So those are the 2 tips. Hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.